there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look. It's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, Mechanicals, we need to help. Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye!
Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gecko's garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me! Mechanicals! Quick! Do something! Look out! Here comes a bridge! Whoa! Spinning screwdrivers! Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Whoa! Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye!
Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green!
Spinning screwdrivers!
Hooray!
Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Hello everyone, it's busy today. Baby Truck and Max the monster truck need a tyre change. But where's Max? Oh, hello Max! Go Mechanicals! Yellow! No! Yellow's gone and bumped her head. So it's over to you, Blue and Red. Spinning screwdrivers! Come on, Yellow! Looks like the tyres got mixed up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. We just need to swap the tyres back. Oh, don't worry, Max. We'll soon sort this out. Yuck! Baby Truck, we know you're having fun, but they're Max's tyres. Shall we give them back to him now? Ah, well done, baby truck. It's important to always give things back after you borrow them. See you again soon. Bye!